Full disclosure, this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Ho! This is the eufy integrated solar panel security camera, eufy S40. This is all weatherproof, IP67 outdoor security camera with 2K footage and floodlight, no monthly fee, built-in memory with a built-in solar panel. This thing is awesome. eufy security camera, boom! That looks sick. This is the camera. It's a good weight to it. eufy security camera 2K. Yeah, 2K security camera, IP67 with the built-in solar panel. The quick start guide, put that to the side. Monitoring sticker, oh yeah. We have the included mounting hardware, USB-C to USB-A cable. Nice. Boom. That looks sick. Smooth. Floodlight built in. All weather protection. IP67 solar panel. 2K video. Built in 8GB of memory. AI detection. eufy 2K security camera with the floodlight. There's the eufy security camera. It comes with the mounting hardware. Back here, you have a little port. In there, you have the USB-C and you have the reset and sync button. This one is weather sealed really well. IP67 all weather protection. You can use this outdoor. Beautiful camera with a floodlight, 2K resolution, solar panel, 8GB built-in memory, so no monthly fee for the data. Twist this onto your eufy 2K outdoor security camera. Twisting on, open up this piece right here. You install this one onto the wall. This one slides right on there. Take the nut, twist the nut onto the mounting post. Pretty solid. Let me tighten the nut right there. And now, the security camera is tightened. And you can turn this at any angle. Nice. You lock it in, it's solid. It ain't going anywhere. So cool. You have all these different angles you can install it. eufy 2K security camera with the solar panel, with the floodlight, AI detection. It only starts recording when there's AI human detection, so you're not wasting space. You don't get any false alert. Pet or animal walk by, no problem. If a human walks by, it knows there's a human and it will start recording. It'll turn on the floodlight. The floodlight alone will scare away the human. Floodlight allows you to record very sharp, vivid image in low light. 2K footage, built-in solar panel. It charges during the day. At night, it has a built-in battery. It uses the power it charges. You don't need to wire this for power or electric. Boom, solar power, solar panel. The eufy 2K security camera with the solar panel right here. IP67 all weather protection. Nice installation mount right here. 2K camera, built-in 8GB storage, built-in AI detection, so it detects human versus pet. Only records when it sees human. Floodlight right here. At night, it will turn on when there's motion detected. Floodlight will allow it to record sharp, vivid images and video with this 2K security camera right here. The solar panel charges the internal battery, and this internal battery will power the camera, the floodlight, and everything in here. This is the eufy 2K security camera with the solar panel right here. Ah, yeah. This is the all-weather outdoor security camera that is solar powered by eufy 2K with the floodlight. Ah, yeah.